Alright, here we go. Y'all want to see something fucking nasty about these new washers? And I'm sure old ones are probably gross too, but I was a little young to notice. Anyways, you see this brush? Okay. Looks okay. I just rinsed it off. There we go. We're going to jam it in here. Okay, we're going to just go around. Okay. I'm going to come back down, and then I'm going to pull her out, and yeah, isn't that just fucking disgusting? Holy shit. That looks like fucking doo-doo. I don't know if they tell you to clean that shit. It's hard to get to, so I don't know. It's fucking disgusting. That's what your washers are like, people, if you're not cleaning them, like, behind the rubber on a regular basis, which I've never met anybody who does. Anyway, that's that. Sorry for grossing y'all out, but I just had to do it.